Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to invite people, whether they're your friends or not your Facebook friends, to follow your Facebook business page. This is super helpful for growing your audience and reaching more people, especially if you're running a small business or content brand. First, log into your Facebook. On the left sidebar, click See More, then scroll down until you see Pages. Click that. Select the business page you manage. This works on desktop or the mobile app. Once you're on your page, click the three dot icon, then choose Invite Friends, or sometimes it's labeled Invite to Follow. From here, you can check your friends list and choose who to invite. You can tap Select All to invite everyone or manually pick friends who might be interested. Then tap Send Invites. To invite non-friends, just copy your page URL from the address bar. You can paste it into DMs, Messenger, emails, or even post it on your timeline. To make it easier, shorten the link with bit.ly or add a custom message like, hey, follow our official page for updates, promos, and new content. And that's it. Now you can easily invite both friends and non-friends to follow your business page. Keep posting valuable content and your page will grow faster than you think.